Here we go, kid. Tour of room 314 at the Candlewood Suites in Winnemucca, Nevada. Let's take a tour. So this is a feels like a pretty new hotel, and you can see that it looks pretty solid here. So anyway, we'll start off. It is an extended stay, so it does have the little kitchenette, freezer with an ice maker here. Also a full-size fridge. Does have a pitcher there for water. We will see that it does have plenty of cups or glasses, mugs, plates. Got a toaster, strainer, some different Rubbermaid bins up there. We have a small coffee pot with some coffee, microwave popcorn to go along with the microwave. Up top, we do not have anything other than just more storage space. And we do have a stove top. Obviously no oven here, but we do have some pots and pans, and also have some utensils. Dishwasher. They did not leave any dishwashing. Oh, never mind. Take it back. There we go. We have some dish soap here. So we have the manual as well as for the dishwasher there. So let's go on in. We'll take a look here at the closet next. So in the closet we have an ironing board. We have plenty of hangers as well as a laundry basket. The laundry basket has seen better days. A little dirty, beaten up, but it's a laundry basket. Whatever. Let's go on into the bathroom. Bathroom does have a tub, but there is not a plug there. So going to be a shower only situation here. Does come with the shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo from J.R. Watkins. And over here we have another bar of soap to wash hands with, as well as some face makeup remover things. There you go, wipes. We have 3 towels underneath here. Nothing else, but we do have some storage. So if you were taking advantage of the extended stay, plenty of storage space there for your own stuff. So the bed situation, this one is a 2 queen. It said 2 double when we booked it, but it was queens. So we see outlets over on this side. And then this wall's a little beat up. It is kind of tight, so I'm guessing just from people trying to squeeze over there. We do have the thermostat here on the wall. In the middle, we only have 1 plug. So if you're sleeping on this side or on that side, you get to fight over it. Does have an alarm clock. And if we look back in here, right over there, you can kind of see it, but both of those plugs are taken up. So that's what I wanted to show you. And then over on this side of the bed, we have some outlets over here. Let's go over to the desk area. Desk area is pretty large because the room itself is pretty big. So we have plenty of outlets over here. We have a desk with a chair as well as an office chair that can move around. It is on wheels. This also comes with a power strip as well as a Blu-ray player. They do have plenty of DVDs and Blu-rays that you can rent. And then storage space for your clothes over there. TV is pretty nice. Looks kind of looks smaller on the camera than it really is. Pretty good picture. The only downside is that when you plug in ESPN, ESPN does not want to work. It is, I think you saw on the clock, after midnight, so I am not going to be complaining about this to somebody. I'll let the next person deal with that. But yeah, that's it. So Candlewood Suites, Winnemucca, Nevada, with the visitor's guide here. Oh, I did want to show you outside. One last thing. And you can see here, maybe if I zoom in, across the parking lot, there is a little gaming and spirits. Dottie's. If we look over here, it doesn't really show up great, can't really focus, but Dottie's. And then Bourbon Street Sports Bar. But gaming, spirits, 24 hours. So, yeah, there we go. So, Winnemucca, Nevada, Candlewood Suites. Until next time.